Hi, this is JD Brake, and I am here with Rich from Ring. And we have the pleasure of him joining us to talk about one of these products, one of the outdoor cameras called the Spotlight Cam. So, Rich, why don't you kind of walk us through? I know we have a hardwired and a battery one, but kind of give us the details on this awesome product from Ring.
Awesome, thank you. Now, these are all virtually the same when it comes to using them in practice. They all have 1080p, they all have night vision, they all have integrated LEDs. So when motion is detected, these lights will actually illuminate on the side and provide a very broad amount of coverage to be able to illuminate what you're doing. And that's eliminating a lot of the opportunity for crime.
Right.
So the three different flavors that we're talking about is the battery. Perfect for any situation where you can't get power, or the backside of garages where you don't have power access, or just virtually anywhere you want it to put. We have the plug-in version, which has about a 20-foot long AC cable. You just plug it into any AC outlet, and it provides you with really good coverage as well. For the professionals, though, I would recommend using the Spotlight Cam mount. This actually is hardwired over the AC, but it has a motion detector inside. So not only will it illuminate these LEDs, it will also have a trigger out for existing lighting that you could wire up. So garage sconces or other floodlights.
Awesome. Yeah, and really, I mean, as far as contractors go, we want to push them towards the wired anyways, because a homeowner typically is not going to want to get on a ladder all the time and change the battery, especially like in the weather it is today when your camera fails and you're about to head out for like Thanksgiving or whatever. So the wired version is what we absolutely recommend, but they are available in both. And can you do the motion, the advanced motion settings with these? Did you mention that?
The advanced motion settings were instead of like a baseball diamond of being able to say, I want to see any motion up to 15 feet. Advanced motion is for the plug-in version. So the hardwired version will actually pull up a live view of the camera, and you can draw the individual fields that you want to see. So I just want to see the driveway. I want to ignore the tree that's always waving. That's what you get with advanced motion over the plug-in versions as opposed to the battery.
Right, which is also very important because if you mount that thing high enough, I mean, that's a lot of coverage. So you don't want a lot of trips and alerts getting sent to your phone. Trust me, I learned that the hard way before I did that in the Ring app and got it all fixed. But Rich, thank you so much for coming on. These products are available now at Jackson Systems. Check them out. I'm JD Brake. We'll see you next time.
Thanks.